Alright you guys, so you might be wondering, why should I even listen to these two? Well, Kenny and I have been on the road full time for about three and a half years. We've amassed about 200,000 miles on the road. What that's given us is a lot of first-hand experience, and we want to share it with you guys. We want to make sure that you guys know the ins and outs of what these rigs are like, so that when it comes time for you to make a purchase decision, you feel ready and equipped to make the best decision for you and your family. With that said, you guys, we'd love to have you guys join in on the talk. Sign up for our mailing list. We're going to leave a link down in the description below. Fill that out with your email address, and we'll actually include a free gift. It's going to be a downloadable PDF guide to towables versus motorhomes, which is actually the first full-length series on Rig Talk. All right, you guys, we'll see you soon. Bye.